Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video today for how to settings best Fibonacci retracement and trend-based. Fibonacci retracement, the simplest, most effective Fibonacci retracement trading strategy on Earth. I'll show you exactly how to implement this with your trades step by step. The strategy revolves around drawing Fibonacci retracement levels from a recent swing low to swing high and using the key Fibonacci levels 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618 to time entries and set stop losses and take profit points. The presenter stresses the importance of confirming these Fibonacci levels with other indicators, such as support and resistance zones, to enhance the probability of successful trades. The video also highlights risk management by demonstrating how to place stop-loss orders just below the 0.618 level to avoid false retracements turning into full trend reversals. Leveraging is discussed with caution, emphasizing that leverage should be aligned with the stop-loss distance to prevent liquidation risks. Can choose this, you can screenshot this, and take a note. These are the most popular FIB retracement levels,